Sarah, can I lick the spoon?
Patience, Dylan. You'll get a taste when it's ready.
What's going on here? Why is Dylan covered in flour?
I'm making your birthday cake, Gracie. It's going to be the best one yet.
Really? Can I help?
Of course. You can help me stir.
This reminds me of when I used to bake with my mother. Sarah, you have her touch.
I learned from the best, Mama.
Something smells delicious. What's cooking?
Sarah is making Gracie's birthday cake, and I'm helping by taste testing.
Well, I hope you leave some for the rest of us.
It smells so good. I wish it could bake faster.
Good things take time, my son. Just like dreams.
Sarah, do you ever think of opening a bakery?
All the time. A place where people can come, enjoy my cakes, and feel at home.
That sounds like a wonderful idea, but it takes more than just talent. You'll need a plan.
I know, Papa, and I'm willing to work hard for it.
You can do it, my dear. Every dream starts with a single step.
It's beautiful.
Can we eat now?
Yes, but first, Gracie, make a wish.
I wished for Sarah's bakery to come true.
And one day, it will.
To dreams coming true.
To cake.